kitten with his mother. You see a kitten with her mother. In this video, you will see that kitten is interesting to go outside for a walk, and how interestingly he is convincing to her mother, and she will follow his lovely steps, and then you will see the mother will be able to go outside, and the kitten will follow him firstly, and then immediately he will move outside of the boundary. So it's very interesting to see how children play with their mother and convince their mother to come across their border. So it's a message, a lovely message for all children that they should try best to convince their mother first, and then they will enjoy what they are looking in their